Hey Megan, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating American roofing and construction. If you type in roofing company mobile Alabama, they show up on the front page right here. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do, this information is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, great job on the website. I don't know if you guys are military background or what's the story with the green, but this olive drab green looks really, really great, and it just matches out the entire website. Plus, you have these beautiful animations the whole way through, high quality images, trust building factors the whole way through the website. This is a beautiful looking website. Great job on the design. Unfortunately, Google doesn't rank based off design. What they care mostly about is content, all the stuff you can highlight and read. The average website on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of content, so that's kind of where you want to start. If I paste all of your content into this word counter, you can see you have 682 words. If we go to American Roofing Alabama, you can see these guys have 1,012. So that's one of the big reasons I'm outranking you. But the good news is by getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only are you going to show Google that you're an authority, but you're going to blow them out of the water, and you're going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords, which are just phrases people commonly type into Google to find your business. So I pulled up a couple for you here, like roofing company mobile AL, for example. 300 people search that every month. If I search your content, you can see you don't have that anywhere in there. Or if we go to roofing mobile AL, you can see you don't have that anywhere in there. Or if we go to roofers mobile AL, you can see you don't have that keyword anywhere there. So I can see that you guys were trying to, like best roof replacement company mobile AL, but just make sure you're using the actual keywords that people are searching. So what I would do is I would just pause this video and take these keywords here and feel free to use them. And then also make sure you save your images as keywords too. So like ASF contracting logo, you can change this to roofers mobile AL. All right, so that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, not all backlinks are created equal. They want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool you check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this data for free. It says you have 17 websites linking to you, while American Roofing has 44 websites linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them, because if these 44 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my homepage. A lot of times it's simple, like expertise, you hit get listed, yellow pages, you hit sign up, super pages, you hit join, you create a free profile, you put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple, you have a backlink. So it's really easy to do, it just takes some time, but when you copy their backlinks and you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked above them organically. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories mobile roofing and construction was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. So if mobile roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. That's all I've got for you though, Megan. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want to have 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords inside of that content. Feel free to pause this video and just take these keywords. This is what everyone's searching right now in Google. Then take the websites linking to American Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in mobile roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what most of your competitors are doing. The less time you take to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Megan. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you later.